welcome back to my channel. And you guys, today's video I am going to create a holiday look because you guys, party is everywhere. And today we're going to create a look on a budget. Like I'm saying, it means I am using a drugstore product pero nanlalaban. You know what I'm saying? And as you guys can see, I have my brows done and my face done because right now we're gonna go ahead and do our eye look for our Christmas party. So this look, you guys, is going to be a perfect for holiday party, Christmas party, a school party, a school party, whatever party you're gonna go. This look is for y'all, okay? Yeah, but before we're going to start, please do me a favor. Please hit this like button, subscribe button, and leave the comment after this video, and let's be friends, because why not? So without further ado, let's jump right into this. So today we're gonna create a glamorous look on a budget. So for my base, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me and the shade medium. I always use concealer for my base. It's just me and it works really well for me. All over eyelids. And you guys, for my hooded people out there, this is for us. Using this one, I'm going to blend this all over my lids. So taking my sponge, I'm going to buff this. So our base will be like look flawless and not patchy or blotchy. And by the way, you guys, for my foundation today, I use Wet n Wild L'Oreal Infallible. This is in caramel and caramel beige. I mixed this too. And for my primer, I used my Wet n Wild and Cover All primer. And for my brows, you guys, I used, just to give you what I used today, a Wet n Wild, and this is a retractable brow pencil in medium brown, and Maybelline Brow Drama in soft brown. So yeah, just give you a heads up. To set this concealer, I'll be using my air spoon. Yes. I don't know what look I'm gonna go for, but we're gonna make sure that this look would be wearable. Oh, my favorite brush gave up today. Nasira yung brush. So for my eyeshadow, you guys, I will be using this e.l.f. and this is the Matte for Matte. See this? Yo, this is beautiful. Ooh, I love this. I'm going to use this mustard color. This is going to be my transition. So let's just go ahead and blend this. I'm gonna do only one eye and I'm gonna do the other eyes off camera to save us some time. I'm going to blend this all over the lids from outer V going inwards. Ooh, I like it. Just gonna blend this back and forth. And you guys, in your eyeshadow, so this is what I do. Since I have hooded eyelids, I always look down and make sure that everything is well blended. This transition color is really pretty. Oh yes, mama. I love that. I love this tone. It's beautiful. That's good for my transition now. Taking this black shade right here, I'm going to place this on my outer V. I'm gonna take a little bit and then keep adding it. I'm going to smoke this out, but not all over, but I'm gonna do this like sultry look just to create the smoky effect. Smoky effect. I want this to be easy as possible to recreate. I'm gonna do this here, this right here, and then by blending this, I'm not going up there, but I'm going to focus this here in this area here. Oh my god, this look, you guys, is going to be amazing. So I'm gonna do this very light handed blending. I'm going to focus this blending because honey, blending is the key. And by the way, this brush is from MAC 217. I'm smoking this out so slow. You know, take your time when you do this thing, because when you're not taking time to do this, it's not gonna look right. And as you can see, I don't want to go over here. Sometimes I go here if I'm gonna go dramatic, but since I want this look to be sultry and sexy, now it's diffused. I'm going to diffuse this evenly. And for my hooded ladies out there, look down, girl, look down. Or you can look up so you know where to go, and you guys can see that thing is diffused already. I'm loving it. It's all about a technique and application for this one. So that's what I'm sharing it to you. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm taking my Wet n Wild, and this is in a shade Not a Basic Peach. I will be taking this gold color, this one right here, because it's holiday, y'all. It's holiday, okay? I know for me, it's already holiday. I'm taking this Morphe brush, and this is like concealer brush. I'm going to split this with my facial mist from Garnier. I'm going to press that here, and I'm going to place that in the center, right here. Just right that. That one right there. So this gold, you guys, since I have hooded eyelids, I can bring this up here. But since I don't want to touch it because this is already look perfect to me, I'm not touching anything. I'm going to pack a little bit more of this gold shadow, and then just go where my lids fold, and I'm going to stop right there. If you don't like gold over here, you can change that in silver, red, rose gold, whatever you like. But since I'm good with that, I'm not touching anything. What I'm gonna do now, to save us some time, I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyes, and I'll be back. And you guys, as you can see, my left eye is done, and you guys, for my eyelashes, I am using the Allure in Vegas Night. And now let's move on to other eyes. Using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. We already did. Just gonna coat again. Using my Sephora Collection eyeliner, I'm going to use this here in the bottom. Perfect. Using this black color, I will be using this, and I'm going to smoke this out. I'm gonna connect that to here, and I'm going to blend this and smoke this out really, really, really well. Just to create that elongated like look, like, you know, like cat eye look. Okay, now you guys, what I'm gonna do, taking back the gold, I'm going to place that here in my tear duct, just to open up a little bit of our eyes. Alright. And now I'm going to pop my lashes on. Just gonna let this dry. I cut this because it's very long, but I really like the winged effect of these lashes. But in the center is very long. Like, look at that. I love it. As close as possible. Yes! Woo, woo, woo! So now I'm going to use my telescopic mascara. Baby, contouring time. So to contour my face, I will be using my Wet n Wild contouring palette. As you guys can see, it's already beat up, girl. I've been using this like crazy. Top it off and contour the face. So from my hairline, of course, down to my temple. Pack. And our jawline, girl. Okay, you guys, so for now, nose is done. For my bronzer, I will be using the Jordana and powder bronzer. By the way, you guys, you can get this at Publix or Walgreens. So I really like this one. Ooh, gorgeous. No, girl. I like this bronzer because it has like shimmer into it. What's the name of this bronzer? By the way, this one is golden bronze. So this bronzer is gorgeous. Ooh, I love it. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. And now for my blush, I will be using this Wet n Wild and Mellow Wine. I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much, because my bronzer it's so pretty, so I don't need a lot of blush for that. I'm gonna put a little bit here on the cheek, just a tad bit. That's about it. So for my highlighter, I will be using a Maybelline Master Chrome, and this in the shade Molten Gold. Let's glow, my dear, let's glow. Woo, just like in my cheekbone, at the top of my cheekbone. I'm going to drag that up a little bit, and then, you know, ooh, a little bit in my chin, not too much. My cupid's bow, and a little bit in my nose. Not a little bit. Ooh, tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. The bridge of light. Okay, friends. I think that glow is enough. I'm saying. And now let's move on to our lipstick. For my lipstick, I can find something that I like. I don't want to wear red. So I am using my Sephora collection. And this is in the shade number 25. This is in the shade Coral Sunset. So Sephora collection, you guys, is the price of drugstore. Right now, I don't feel like using red, so I will be using this Coral Sunset. It's a deeper coral tone, which is it match my my outfit. Yeah, I want something different, so I'm gonna use this. See. And I really like the shade of this lipstick. Huh? Is that it? And you know, if you want a red lip for this, by your all means, go ahead, baby. You can do whatever you want with this look. You can do what do you call this? Nude for this lip color. You can do nude for this eye color. Like, you know, it depends on you. Like, do whatever you want. Like I'm saying, this is it. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put my hair down, and I'll be back. And I am ready to party. This is our final look. You guys can see beside of Sephora collection lipstick, everything is drugstore. You can create so many looks and nailed the looks for your party using drugstore, because you know drugstore is life as well. Anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, as I always said, please do not forget to like, comment, and you can share this video, you guys, if you want to. Let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.